Plant FAQs, Begonia Frosty. As a passionate gardener, I often find myself delving into the intricacies of cultivating various plants. Recently, my attention has been captivated by the charming Begonia Frosty. Its delicate foliage and vibrant colors have sparked a curiosity within me, leading me to explore the most frequently asked questions about this captivating plant. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is Begonia Frosty? Begonia Frosty, also known as Angel Wing Frosty Begonia, is a stunning variety of begonia characterized by its angelic, asymmetrical foliage adorned with silver markings. This hybrid plant is revered for its unique appearance, making it a popular choice among garden enthusiasts looking to add a touch of elegance to their indoor or outdoor spaces. How to grow Angel Wing Frosty Begonia. Growing Angel Wing Frosty Begonia requires attention to detail and adherence to specific care guidelines. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you cultivate this exquisite plant successfully. Light. Begonia Frosty thrives in bright, indirect light. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight, as it can scorch the delicate leaves. Place the plant near a north or east-facing window where it can receive ample filtered sunlight throughout the day. Temperature. Maintain a consistent temperature range of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, to ensure optimal growth. Avoid placing the plant near drafty areas or heating vents, as sudden temperature fluctuations can stress the plant. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the plant when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, and ensure adequate drainage to prevent root rot. Avoid overhead watering, as it can lead to fungal diseases. Humidity. Begonia Frosty thrives in high humidity environments. Increase humidity levels by placing a tray filled with water and pebbles beneath the plant or using a humidifier. Misting the foliage regularly can also help maintain adequate moisture levels. Soil. Use a well-draining, peat-based potting mix to provide adequate aeration and moisture retention. Avoid using heavy soils or those prone to compaction, as they can suffocate the plant's roots. Fertilization. Feed Begonia Frosty with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce fertilization frequency in fall and winter when the plant's growth slows down. Pruning. Trim any leggy or yellowing foliage to promote bushier growth and maintain the plant's overall shape. Regular pruning also helps improve air circulation and reduce the risk of pest infestations. Pest and disease control. Keep a close eye on your Begonia Frosty for signs of pests such as aphids, spider mites, or mealybugs. If detected, treat the infestation promptly using natural or chemical insecticides, ensuring to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. By following these essential care tips, you can cultivate a thriving Begonia Frosty that will delight you with its beauty for years to come. How to propagate Begonia Frosty. Propagating Begonia Frosty is relatively straightforward and can be done through stem cuttings or division. Here's how to propagate this stunning plant. Stem cuttings. Select a healthy, mature stem with at least 2 nodes and remove it from the parent plant using a clean, sharp knife or scissors. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, and plant it in a small pot filled with moistened potting mix. Place the pot in a warm, humid environment with indirect light, and keep the soil consistently moist until roots develop. Division. Divide mature Begonia Frosty plants during repotting in spring or early summer. Carefully remove the plant from its container and gently separate the root ball into smaller sections, ensuring each division has several stems and a healthy root system. Replant the divisions in individual pots filled with fresh potting mix and water thoroughly. With patience and proper care, your propagated Begonia Frosty will soon establish itself and grace your garden with its exquisite foliage. What to plant with Begonia Frosty. When selecting companion plants for Begonia Frosty, it's essential to consider its growing requirements and aesthetic appeal. Here are some suitable companions to complement this captivating plant. Ferns. Pairing Begonia Frosty with lush, green ferns creates a striking contrast and adds texture to your garden or indoor space. Choose shade-loving fern varieties such as maidenhair fern or Boston fern to thrive alongside Begonia Frosty. Caladiums. The colorful foliage of caladiums complements the silver markings of Begonia Frosty, creating a visually stunning display. Plant them together in containers or mixed borders for a vibrant and dynamic arrangement. Hostas. With their bold foliage and diverse range of sizes and colors, hostas make an excellent companion for Begonia Frosty. Choose varieties that thrive in similar light and moisture conditions to create a harmonious planting scheme. Coleus. Known for their vibrant foliage patterns and hues, Coleus plants add a pop of color and visual interest to any garden bed or container arrangement. Pair them with Begonia Frosty for a lively and eclectic display. Impatiens. Shade-loving impatiens are an ideal companion for Begonia Frosty, thanks to their prolific blooming habit and ability to thrive in similar growing conditions. Plant them together for a burst of color and continuous flowering throughout the growing season. By carefully selecting companion plants that complement Begonia Frosty's unique characteristics and growing requirements, you can create a harmonious and visually appealing garden or indoor landscape. In conclusion, cultivating Begonia Frosty can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience for garden enthusiasts of all levels. By following the essential care guidelines and exploring creative companion planting options, you can enjoy the beauty of this exquisite plant year-round. Whether adorning your indoor space with its elegant foliage or enhancing your outdoor garden with its vibrant presence, Begonia Frosty is sure to captivate and inspire admiration wherever it grows.